welcome back to my channel. So in this session we will discuss question number 2. Question number 2 exercise 5.2. So first question is that find the sum the given below. So one ABCD is given, so you have to find the sum of the terms of the given ABCDs. So here, so value of A is given 7 and value of D, A means first term and value of D is what? Common difference. So first term, second term minus first term. Here the second term is this one and first term is this one. So this is second term. So 10 complete 1 by 2 minus 7. So 10 complete 1 by 2 means this is 21 by 2 minus 7. So 21, if we take LCM, so 2, so 21 minus 2, 7 are 14. So this is, we got 7 by 2 is the common difference. So now we'll find the value of n, because we have to find Sn, so we don't know how many AP. So first we have to find An. So An formula is that A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So now, so An is here 84. This is last term. This is will be An. So 84 equals to, value of A is 7 here. So 7 plus n minus 1. So this is n minus 1. We don't know what is the value of n. We are going to find it. So value of D is what? 7 by 2. This will be multiplied. So 84 minus 7 equals to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Got it? Now this will be what? 77. If we subtract 84 minus 7, we will got 77. So now n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 77, and this 7 by 2 will be reciprocal. So 2 by 7 equals to n minus 1. Okay. So 7, 11 is 77, that is 22 equals to n minus 1. So value of n will be what? 23. Okay, 21 plus 1, 23. So that means we have to find value of Sn. Sn means here S23. So Sn formula is what? N minus n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Got it? So we are going to find S23. So 23 by 2 into 2a. 2a, value of a is what? 7. Okay. Plus n minus 1. So 23 minus 1 into D. D means here 7 by 2. So now 23 by 2 equals to 2 7 are 14. Okay. 23 minus 1, 22 into 7 by 2. So this will be cancelled. 2 11 are 22. So this is 23 by 2, 14 plus 77, 11 7 are 77. So 23 by 2 into, so this will be added up. So we'll get 1 7 on 91. Okay. So 7 4 plus 7 11 and 1, so 91. Okay. So we'll find out 23 into 91 divided by 2. Clear? So 23 into 91. So what can, how can we multiply that one? So there is a similar short tricks. So you can multiply 9 into 23. Okay, 9 into 23. It will be what? Or you can multiply 23 into 9. So 23 into 9. So 9 to 27, 2 carry, and 9 to the 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So this will be 0 because 9 is the 10th place, and 23 into 1, 23. So we will get 3, this will be 902. So 2093 by 2. And if you convert into mixed fraction, you will get 1046 by 1 complete 2. So this will be the answer here. Next we'll do question number 2. So this here the first is what 34 and common difference is what 32 minus 34, that will it will minus 2. So first we have to find out n, value of n. So a n equals to, we know, a plus n minus 1 into d. So a n is here 10 equals to a is here 34 plus n minus 1 into d. Value of d is what? Minus 2. So 10 minus 34 equals to n minus 1 into minus 2. This will be minus 24 and minus 2 will divide here. Minus 2 equals to n minus 1. This will be cancelled 12. So 12 equals to n minus 1, that is value of n is what? 13. So we got value of n is 13. So we'll find s 13. So we know value of Sn formula. N by 2 means 13 by 2 bracket 2 into a. 2 into a means what? 34 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into d. D means what? D means here minus. So 13 by 2 means 13 by 2. So in 34 into 2, that is 68 plus 12 into minus 2. Clear? So 13 by 2 in 68 plus this will be minus 24. So it will be minus 24. So we'll got 13 by 2 into, this is 4 and 4. So we'll, if we cancel out 2 to the 2 to the. So 13 to the 26, 26 and 13 to the 26. So 682. So 286 is the answer of question number 2. Okay. Next, now we'll discuss question number 3. So in question number 3, we have to find the sum of the all the terms. Here a equals to, so here a equals to minus 5. Okay. So now d equals to here minus 8 second term minus first term. Okay. So this will be minus 8 and plus 5. And this is minus 8 plus 5 minus 3. So now we'll find value of n. How many number of terms in this AP is present. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an equals to minus 230 equals to, this is 0. A means minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3. So minus 230 and this will be plus 5 equals to n minus 1 into this one. So this will be minus 225 equals to n minus 1 into minus 3. So we'll calculate here. So minus 225 by minus 3 equals to n minus 1. So 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja. That is 75 equals to n minus 1. So now n equals to 76. Means 76 term is present in this AP. So you will find Sn. So Sn means we will find S76. So n by 2 means 76 by 2. And 2 into a value of a is what? Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D means what? Minus 3. Okay. So if we cancel out 2 3 is 6, 2 8 ja. So 38 into, this will be minus 10 and plus value of n 76. 76 minus 1 into minus 3. So 38. So minus 10 and this will be 15. 75 into minus 3. Okay. So now 38 into minus 10 and this will be what? Minus 3 by 15, 1 carry 2 2 2, 225 and 38 into minus 235. So then we will get the answer 8930. This is the answer. Okay. So in this way we find out the solution of three questions. So I hope you can understand these answers, solutions. So thank you and see you in the next class.